Okay. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Liliana with Event Craft Studio Seasonal Wreaths and Holiday Decor. And today I am here because I wanted to review the next virtual wreath making class kit. So if you follow me, you know that I've been having wreath making events that we actually see each other as we're working via Zoom. Wreath kit sales are going to end for this particular kit on Monday. So I just want to make sure that you're aware of the kit, because last time that we did this, I had people messaging me like 2 days before, like, okay, how do I get a ticket? But the problem is that we close ticket sales, a few days in advance, because we need to allow time for shipping. So you order your kit, you buy your ticket, and with your ticket, you get your kit, and basically your kit comes with all the supplies. So we can't let you join us like 2 days before. And I had like 4 or 5 people reach out to me. So it was like, I felt really, really bad, but there was really no way for me to be able to open it up for them unless they like overnighted or did something crazy with their, with their kids. So anywho, so before, make sure that anybody comes on. So what I wanted to do was, I'm here because I wanted to review the kit. I wanted to show you what comes with your kit. Uh-oh. The joys of corn died. Oh. It keeps doing that. Oh, whatever. If somebody comments, I'll see it above. Okay, so this kit is it doesn't want to do this. Here we go. Now we're good. Okay, so this kit is I say it's not necessarily patriotic, but it's patriotic feel to it because of the colors. So the sign that guides us is this sign here. So it's like it's a berry wreath. It's a berry wreath with patriotic colors, like an Americana color, sorry, and obviously the Bless His Home. So you have this Bless His Home sign that has strawberries and blueberries, right?
Oh, I love blueberries.
You love blueberries? Sorry, Kata's here as usual, but this time she's not on camera. And then it is going to be a deco mesh wreath. So you also get your base, which is right here. I love how see how pretty that is? Alright, just give me 1 second, babe. And the deco mesh that we're going to be using is this white and red buffalo plaid, which is beautiful. And the kits all are shipped directly from Greenery Market. So if you know Greenery Market, you know that their supplies, their product is excellent. As a matter of fact, the wreath that we made last month is this one right here. Oops, one side. This one right here. And this one was a lemon one. This one's going to be a berry one. But just by looking at, you know what, let me show you. Let me show you just because of how excellent. If you look at this wreath, just look at the mesh. The mesh is, I cannot brag enough about the mesh. This mesh is absolutely excellent, excellent. So we have this time, it's the similar mesh, but it's red. Okay, so like I said, this was the one that we made last month. So with every time that I do one of these classes, I try to teach something different. So last month, what we did was we created our own picks from the sprays. So the sprays, there were 2 lemon sprays, and we cut them up. We broke them down into 6 picks, so 2 sprays, 6 picks, and then we had to tie them. We had to tape them, because you know what? That's something that is something that you have to do. It's something very common, and we avoid it. So if you have, and I say because I used to avoid it. So when I used to have a pick or a spray or whatever it was, I used to use it as is. So if it was a 12-inch, like with all this stuff, I used to add it as is. Don't get me wrong, there are times when you do want to do that if you want to make a quick wreath, but I couldn't do that with this. So if I had this giant lemon spray, I was going to try to figure out, like, where could I add it in this wreath? Or you break it apart and then it falls apart, right? Because they're hand tied. Well, you got to learn how to tie them back. So that's what we did last month. This month we're going to do something similar, but we're going to do it with these hydrangeas. So these hydrangeas could actually, yes. So we could actually break these down. So if you look here, we're going to learn how to take them apart, how to cut our picks, and then maximize them. So I always try to teach a few different things. And there's something else, because last month we had 2 things, and this time we're also gonna have 2 things. So anywho, yeah, so back to the hydrangeas. These are the hydrangeas that we're gonna use. So we're gonna use flowers in this wreath as well. To keep with the berry theme, we do have strawberry picks. This time we do not have to tie them, but these are our berry picks. Finally, greenery, because we never have enough greenery. This is a gyp bush that we're gonna be using. So beautiful. And then finally, we have our ribbons, because of course you need ribbon. So these are, yes, baby. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, so these are the supplies that we're gonna be using. Okay, so again, this is gonna be for June 25th. June 25th is the day of the event. It is a Saturday from 2 to 6. I always like to give extra time. Will we use the full 4 hours? I have not yet used the full 4 hours, but I like to schedule it just in case, because there's questions. And like I said, if you're gonna join us, I have to say this. Please do your best. And I get it. We're all not. It takes a lot to actually go live on camera. But this is something that's not gonna be broadcast. As a matter of fact, if you see that, where's the video for this event? It's only going to be sent to the people that are part of the group. So if you join, once you buy a ticket, there's a private group, and they get a private link for the event, for the video afterwards. Everybody's not going to get this. No. So people are not going to be seeing you, because I know that's a worry. That's like, oh my God, I'm going to be live on Facebook or YouTube or Zoom. No, you're not. You're not. This is just going to be whoever's in the group. And also, if you're joined, try to have your camera on, so that way I can see what you're doing. And if you have any questions, you can show me. I see we do host these via Zoom. So if you have any questions, Zoom has a feature where you could raise your hand. You just click on the little hand, and I see it. Oh, you're raising your hand, so I call out your name. What's going on? What's the problem? And you show me, hey, what's the ribbon? But I do also have cue cards that are on the screen as well. So if you're not sure, like, hey, what are we working on? How big am I supposed to be cutting this? How many inches? Just look down, and you're gonna be able to see exactly what we're working on. So that is it. I just wanted to give you a quick overview and just let you know that, yeah, that's it, baby. That's it. So you want to come say hi if you want to be on camera. So yeah, so I wanted to be sure that I let everyone know that ticket sales are going to close by Monday. So please get your tickets in advance, because we are not, unfortunately, we are not able, say hi. We're not, here. Yes. She's right here. So yeah, so we are unable to send the tickets. I'm sorry, the kits with depending on where it is. I mean, and they do get there pretty quickly. Last month, the kits all got there within a week, within less of a week. You gotta give me a second, baby. You gotta wait.
How am I in this direction and how are you in this direction?
Because it's a camera trick. It's a camera trick. Okay. Oh. Okay. So
hi.
Yeah. So yeah, she's not here the days of the events. She's not, so I could focus. So yeah, so they do get to you rather quickly. However, we like to play it safe, give more than a week for shipping, just in case stuff happens. You know, it's no, we're not putting it out there, but just in case, it's better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, so please, anybody that's reached out to me, I'm letting you know now, because we're not gonna have enough time to ship to you like last time. So okay, so this is a kit. If you go into my profile, I am gonna it should be pinned onto the page. It should be pinned where you can buy the tickets. If not, go to eventcraftstudio.com, and where it says Wreath Make an Event, or even actually on the main page, you scroll and you're able to go to the event page from where you could go and shop for your kit. Okay, and remember, the kit does include when you see the price for the ticket, that includes the event, that includes a Facebook group, that includes all of this goodie stuff that you see here, and also the shipping. You don't have to pay for shipping. So that includes everything. It's a one price, so we try to bundle it for you. We did bundle it for you, so that way it's nice and easy. You check out an Eventcraft Studio website. I will send you emails, and then you do get the shipping confirmations from me, but they're shipping from Greenery Market. So I'm going to be sending you all the stuff. So again, thanks to our friends at Greenery Market for helping us with this. And if you know them, you know their products are incredible. So, all right, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here with me. Take care, and I hope to see some of you at the other event. They're fun. They're a lot of fun. I gotta see if I could get some testimonials, because the problem is everybody's so shy to go on camera. So, but everybody says that they have fun at the events because it's interactive. So we're working on Wreath at the same time, and it's a lot of fun. All right, so take care. Have an amazing afternoon. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Okay, I'm playing.